All right, now that you have your new document open, we can go up to File, Document Setup, and resize the document if you'd like. If there's a reason for you, maybe you need an extra inch and you want to go from 11 to 12 inches, you can do it just like that. You can just pull the intersect points and recreate a different size. So we can make it as thin, as small as we want, thin as we want, or as big as we want. Okay. Another option that is very helpful is the undo. You can undo in Illustrator as many times as you want. So what we're going to do is just undo to go back to 8.5 by 11. Okay. And with that done, we're going to go back to our select tool. And another way we can resize is in your toolbar, you'll see an artboard tool. Okay, and that's just another way you can resize your document, and that may be just a little bit faster, right? All right, so that's how you resize your document. And with that said, this same tool, you can create another artboard. Okay, so these artboards work as completely different pages. So if you were to print, it would print as two different pages. Or if you export it as a PDF, they would export as two different pages. Okay, and again, you could resize this one to be a completely different size. If you had different size projects, you can work on them simultaneously. And at the same time, you can just delete. Okay. With that, and I'll show you how to use the ruler. If you press Command R on a Mac, your ruler will disappear and you can bring it back just the same way. The other tool that's very helpful is the hand tool, where you can grab and drag your artboard around just so you can see what else you've been working on around your current project. Okay, so that is where I'm going to stop with this video, and we're going to move on to some other fun tutorials. So definitely stay with me. I'll see you on the other side.